Hello, and thank you for watching another Medisoft Tip of the Week video. Today, I'm going to show you how to run an audit report in Medisoft. Now, I know in today's world, there's plenty of reasons to be able to want to run an audit report, whether it's you know satisfying a security audit that you may be going through, or you just want to go back and see uh, what's been deleted or modified in your system in any different area of your system. You can do that with the audit report. Lots of different reasons you want to do this. Now, um, I'll show you how to run the report. There's two prerequisites that have to be met in order to be able to generate an audit report out of Medisoft. First of all, you have to have your security turned on, and hopefully everyone has this done, regardless of whether you need an audit report. You should have security turned on. So if you sign into Medisoft with a username and a password, then you already do have that turned on. If you don't, if it just logs you into Medisoft without requiring that username and password, then you need to turn that on. You'll do that by going to File and Security Setup and creating a user account for everybody that needs access to Medisoft. The second prerequisite that will need to be met is that you'll need to have your auditing turned on in Medisoft. Now, by default, it is not on. So you want to make sure you do this. You go to File, and it's under Program Options. There's a tab here called Audit. And you'll see that all of my boxes are checked, meaning that my auditing is turned on, and it is auditing. However, yours may look like this. None of the boxes may be checked. And if that's the case, then your Medisoft has not been auditing, and you'll want to check all the boxes here so that it's audited. And I've got it turned on. I like to have it turned on for everything that's updated or changed, is another way of saying that, or deleted in the system. And these are for all the different tables or files, different areas of the program, whether it's in Medisoft or your appointment scheduler, office hours, the things are updated or deleted, that it will audit. So make sure this is turned on. Go ahead and hit save on that. Now, Medisoft will start auditing from the time you turn on auditing. So it's not gonna be retroactive, but it will start keeping track of everything that was updated, changed, or deleted from the time you turn that on. So if you just now turn that on, you may not be able to get an audit. In fact, you won't be able to get an audit report to generate, like I'm going to show you here in just a few minutes. But as you continue to use Medisoft in the coming days and weeks and months, and years ahead, it'll of course keep track of everything from this point forward. Okay, so let me go into the audit generator here. You're going to go to Reports, Audit Reports, and Audit Generator. Now, I will tell you going into this that in my opinion, this audit generator has a lot to be desired, and it's not exactly the most user-friendly thing to me. However, in the event that I want to see what was deleted or what was changed on a certain chart or certain patient or certain transactions that may have been removed from the system, I can get that information out here. So I do find value in that portion of it. Okay, so in this example, there's certain transactions that I believe were deleted off of a patient's account in Medisoft, and I want to go see who deleted them and when, so I can track that down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to say I know that those transactions were deleted in the last week. I want to do this detail because I want to see the detail on the transactions that were deleted. So you have the option for detail or summary. I'm going to leave it on detail, so I get all the detail there. I'm going to say it was for the last week, and I know it was for this patient. Elmo Brimley is the patient I have in question here. So I'm going to select Elmo's chart number. I'm going to click next. It's going to say the template does not exist. You want to create another template. Every time you run an audit generator, it's going to ask you to create a template. You can reuse templates that you've already created, or in this case, I'm going to create new. I'm going to say yes, I want to create it. And I want to add all the available users. So these are all the users set up in my Medisoft. I'm just going to hit add all because I wanted to include all of the users that have touched this particular chart number in Medisoft. So I'm going to select add all, and I'm going to click next. And now it's going to ask what areas of Medisoft you want to audit here. Now you have all the different tables in Medisoft, whether it's the patient account, right, or the case, or their appointments, or whatever, their ledger. In this case, I want to go to transactions, because the reason I'm doing transactions is because I believe some of the charges or a charge was deleted off of Elmo's account. So I want to just go to the transactions section. I could add all here, but if I add all, it's going to give me way too much information, right? So I just want to go to transaction because I want to see what transactions were deleted. So I'm going to hit add to the transaction. I'm going to click next, and it's going to ask me to give this a name. I'm just going to say deleted transactions Elmo, and I'm going to give it a date today. Let's say 2/18/21. Okay, I'm going to hit save here, and you'll see that that has added this to my list now. So when I come back here in the future, I will have access to this template if I wanted to rerun this. But I'm just going to hit print at this point. I'm going to preview it on the screen, and that's going to go into my Medisoft. It's going to look for any transactions that have been updated, changed, or deleted on this patient's account. And what you're going to look for over here, it's a lot. As I said, it's a lot of information. But what I want to look for in particular is this action column. You can see that there's a action is a delete or an update. So most of these are just recorded updates to different transactions in the account. However, I can also see that on February 18th at 8:03 a.m. it was deleted. This chart number, entry 598 for our Elmo Brimley patient, the procedure code 99213 of amount of $60 was deleted from the account. So I do have a record here. I can see that it was this user Kevin that deleted it, and before that I had actually performed some edits on it as well. So you can see that as well. But this will give you the information. The procedure code was in fact deleted from the account. So going back into the audit generator, if we go back and start this from scratch, you might want to run this audit generator. A lot of times here at ASCOMP, we get calls about, hey, we had appointments that were deleted, and we can't remember who it was for, but we accidentally deleted an appointment. Can we go back and see which appointments were deleted? Well, yeah, you can. Absolutely. Again, just run your audit report generator. Tell it you want the detail. Let's just say it was done in the last week again. I'm going to leave this open to any chart number. We're going to say all users. And in this case, I'm just going to say the appointment table because that's what I want to see is deleted appointments. Hit next. Say deleted appointments. 2/18/21. Let me save this in print. And I don't have any deleted appointments on this. Actually, I do have one. So it looks like yesterday at 4:12 p.m., this same Kevin user deleted an appointment for this chart number. And the appointment was scheduled for the 22nd of February at 1:15 p.m. So I do have, I just have one appointment that has been deleted. If I go back here, let's just run this again real quick. I'll open up my scheduler. Let's just delete this appointment, and let's delete this appointment. And now let's go back into Medisoft. Let's run our audit generator one more time. In this case, I'm going to hit the down arrow for my template. I'm going to select the template that we just created a few moments ago for the deleted appointments. Can select, it's already got my appointment selected there, right? And I'm just gonna hit print. It's previewed on the screen, and now we should have a couple of different appointments that were deleted there, which we do. You can see again, who deleted them, when those were deleted, and when those appointments were scheduled for. So great way to go back and see if see this data if they've something's been accidentally deleted from the system. So that's how the audit generator works in Medisoft. Hope you found some help and value, and it can save you in the future. Thanks for watching today.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.